It's my favorite time out here on the ranch. Feeding time. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, and I am a hungry panda today. First thing in the morning here, I gotta put some energy in the fuel tank if I want to be productive. So I went ahead and ordered this. It's Breakfast Essentials by Carnation, and what they are ready to drink breakfast shakes. Now, this one is rich milk chocolate, which has got to be one of my favorite flavors. As you can see here, it's high in protein and it has fiber, which will help keep you regular. You're just a regular guy, Harry. Now, I will say that one of these in the morning I think will be enough to tide you over. I'm not a big breakfast guy, but this does have 220 calories in this small little bottle here. But this thing isn't actually that big. One serving here is only 237 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces, which is kind of a small glass. Kind of think of it as like a juice glass. But what's interesting here is that the lip is on the front, which I think is going to make it a little easier to drink. And this is just room temperature. I don't see anywhere that it says it has to be refrigerated, but the rest of these that I bought I'll definitely put in the refrigerator. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like here. And looks like chocolate milk, like a Nestle Quick or something like that. And as you can see, fills up the glass here, just like that. 8 fluid ounces. Now, let's try it, because if it doesn't taste good, it's not probably going to be something that I'm going to crave in the morning. Kind of tastes like the milk that's left after you eat chocolatey cereal. Kind of like a thick milk. It's pretty good. What I would say is it doesn't taste quite as decadent or as rich as like a milk chocolate that you might have made as a kid, so it doesn't feel as sinful. Just maybe a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner tasting, which, to be honest, is exactly what I want, because I don't know that I want to start off my morning feeling like I've just hit a sugar high. And kind of my guess here is that it's not necessarily healthy for you. 6 grams of fat, 210 grams of sodium, 12 grams of sugar. So, you know, it's not necessarily a health drink, but it says protein and fiber right there. But what I do love about this is that it's tasty. It comes in a nice little easy to carry, easy to open, easy to drink little bottle right here. So if you are truly looking for a breakfast on the go, you're late for work, you've got to get something in your belly, you're off to a game, you're off to pick up your kids, you're off to check on the herd in the morning. Well, breakfast doesn't get any easier than this. Or quicker, to be honest. I ordered a case of these, so if you want to wake up in the morning to a delicious chocolate milk that's also really breakfast, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.